Hi children. Today let's learn about the land, climate, vegetation, religion, industry of the largest country of the Arabian Peninsula, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a large country situated in the Arabian Peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land jutting out into the sea. It is surrounded by water on three sides. The Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. It lies between the Red Sea on the west and the Persian Gulf on the east. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The land of Saudi Arabia is a high, rocky plateau covered by a vast desert. The desert is covered with small hills of sand called sand dunes. Strong winds and dust storms keep blowing and shifting these sand dunes from one place to another. There are no lakes or rivers in this land, but at some places in the desert, underground water comes to the surface, forming fertile areas called oasis. The Al-Ahsa is the largest oasis in Saudi Arabia. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. The climate is thus hot and dry with very little rainfall. The nights are cool as the sand in the desert cools down quickly at night. During winters, the nights are very cold. Very few plants grow here. Cacti and some short shrubs, which can withstand the hot and dry conditions, can be seen growing in the desert regions. Date palms and some crops, such as wheat and barley, are grown in the oasis region. Saudi Arabia is a very rich country because of the vast deposits of petroleum in the country. The money earned by selling petroleum to other countries has been used to build modern cities such as Riyadh and Jeddah. The society in Saudi Arabia is very traditional. The country is ruled by the king. Women must cover their head and body in the traditional abaya, a black dress that only leaves their eyes exposed when they go out. They are not allowed to drive cars. Most men and boys wear the traditional loose-fitting white robes called thobe. Their heads are covered with a white cloth held in place by a ring. Traditionally, the people of Saudi Arabia were nomads, moving from place to place. Even today, many people follow this lifestyle. They are called Bedouins. They live in tents made of animal skin. They sell animals and their products at marketplaces in villages and buy food, grains, dates and other things. Their main occupation is rearing cattle. They keep on moving from place to place in search of pastures for their flocks of goats, sheep and camel. The lifestyle of Bedouins is also changing now. More and more of them are beginning to settle down in one place and use jeeps and cars for moving around. Several large industries are found in Saudi Arabia. Some of them are petroleum refining, iron and steel, cement and fertilizers. Saudi Arabia is the second largest producer of petroleum after Russia and is the biggest exporter of petroleum. Saudi Arabia is an Islamic state. The religion Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad in Saudi Arabia. Mecca is the most important pilgrim center of the Muslims. Millions of Muslims from all over the world come here every year. Medina is another important religious center here. Saudi Arabia is an excellent example of a hot and barren desert being changed into rich and prosperous land by the government of Saudi Arabia using the natural resources. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Thank you.